We don't throw it away, we renew it. This time, we're transforming an ordinary console table with bold colors, unexpected contrasts, and eclectic details. Instead of throwing it away, we're giving it a brand new look through creativity. We start by painting directly onto an unvarnished surface without any sanding. Using Handy Lacquer in Candy Pink with its self-sealing, glossy finish, we apply the paint straight to the console table. We begin creating color blocks by applying hybrid multi-surface in baby blue and river blue to selected areas. Next, we apply premium acrylic fluorescent green and use a wood graining tool to create a natural wood grain effect. The lower section of the console table and the drawer fronts are covered with fabric, adding rich texture and character to the design. Using stencil adhesive, we secure the HD 121 stencil and apply impasto to create raised, textured patterns. We enhance the contrast by applying hybrid multi-surface black through the stencil on selected areas. The same stencil design is also applied to the fabric-covered sections, creating a cohesive look throughout the piece. Drawer knobs made from Pardo air-dry clay in a snail shape are dipped into Handy Lacquered for a glossy finish. The lampshade is covered with rice paper decoupage paper number 11, using decoupage adhesive, completing the eclectic design. We don't throw it away, we renew it. With just a few creative touches, you can transform old furniture into something truly unique. Now it's your turn.